again, everyone. Welcome to part 2 of our stock market and forex update for September 17, 2024. In this follow-up, we're diving into the latest developments from the afternoon trading session. There's been some fresh market-moving news, so if you thought the action was over, think again. Let's get into what's driving the markets right now. First up, we've seen some major shifts in the last few hours. The S&P 500 has slid into negative territory, down about 0.5% as traders digest new economic data. What's pushing the market lower? It looks like a weaker-than-expected retail sales report has spooked investors, raising concerns about consumer spending heading into the holiday season. Over in the NASDAQ, tech stocks are feeling the heat too. Amazon and Meta have both dropped around 2%, signaling a broader sell-off in the tech sector. It seems the hype around recent product launches isn't enough to offset worries about higher interest rates and slowing demand. Let's switch gears to the energy sector, where things have been pretty volatile today. Crude oil prices took a sharp dip after OPEC announced it's considering increasing output, pushing oil futures below $90 a barrel for the first time this month. This is having a big impact on energy stocks, with ExxonMobil and Chevron leading the declines. For traders focused on the energy space, keep an eye on any further news from OPEC. It could set the tone for the sector in the coming weeks. Now, turning back to the forex market, there's been a notable move in the dollar. After holding steady for most of the day, the US dollar is now gaining steam against major currencies. The euro to US dollar pair is trading near 1.0630, down more than 0.2%, as fresh inflation fears are keeping investors cautious. Meanwhile, the US dollar to Japanese yen pair has climbed past the 150 level, and we're hearing chatter that the Bank of Japan might be closer to intervention. If you're trading the yen, this is definitely something to keep on your radar. In response to the uncertainty in both the stock and forex markets, we're seeing a surge in safe haven assets like gold. Gold prices have spiked, reaching $1,960 per ounce, as investors look for stability amid the sell-off. Keep an eye on this trend, especially if more economic data continues to disappoint. As we move further into the week, all eyes are on the Federal Reserve. The market is still trying to price in whether we'll see another rate hike, and any signals from the Fed could be game-changers for both the stock and forex markets. Be sure to watch for any new developments. And that's a wrap for today's second update. If you've been following the market closely, this is definitely a day to stay on top of the news. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates as we follow these fast-moving markets. Let us know in the comments what you think the Fed will do next, and what moves you're making in the markets today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.